Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Did this one, I believe, last week, and we looked at the 60-minute time frame on that period. In fact, these lines you see here are from the last time I did the video. So if you're curious on where these lines came from exactly, just go back and look through the video archives, and when you pull up the video, you can just see where all these ones came from. I wanted to leave them on here just to kind of to show the updates that need to be done. First thing I want to do is just really clear off these lines, because while they are still pertain to the chart, they're just going to make things confusing at this point. The one level though that we do want to keep and extend out is this level right here. This was an important level of support valued at 0.0108. We'll just call it 0.011, and because the price has dropped below it, it is now important level of resistance that really you want to see the price get back up above as soon as possible. You can see just here that when the price did finally drop below it, a bigger fall did happen. So kind of just shows the power of charts and how key levels need to hold, or else they do a good job of forecasting. Where unfortunately, for this one right now, was a nasty little fall there. But on the bright side of things, there is still hope. The chart's not dead or anything like that. How can you say that if you're thinking, especially when the price was all the way up here? Well, let's remember that the price is still above this very important level of support, which is a 200 period simple moving average. And also, if we just drop to the daily chart real quick, you can see that the price is still well above actually not only the 50-day simple moving average, but also the 200-day simple moving average, and also the 20-day simple moving average. So from the daily perspective, the price is still hanging up above these key levels of support and key moving averages, but that's just kind of the catch-22. When stocks go berserk like this one did, they get very overextended, and then when profit takers come in, that turns to panic selling, and this is the sort of action you see. So, keep things in perspective. Sure, the past few days have been red and not the most exciting, but relative to where the price was not too long ago, it's still holding up and is still technically in an uptrend because you're still above these key moving averages. So, remember that as we go through the remainder of the 60-minute here. So, ideally, you definitely want to see it hold above the 200 period, which is valued at 0062. But it looks like it's working on the bottom here, a little up higher, right around the mid 7s to low 8s. So hopefully that'll hold. But if not, you still do have this support level here. And then, as I just showed on the daily chart, you have all those other simple moving averages. In regards to resistance, already touched on this one right here. This level at 0.011 will be the first level of resistance that you'll want to see the price get above. And then the other big one is going to be up here at 0.012. That level is the 50 period simple moving average on this time frame. And then after that, you can see things begin to open up more, because have another level right here at 0.0133, and then after that, nothing until up here about 0.016. Don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but the point being, this will be the first level you want to get above, and then you'll have these other couple levels of resistance. But right now, like I said, spent the latter part of today seeming to be working on a bottom. Got the nice little doji candle there. So we'll see what happens. But remember, all in all, keep that daily time frame in mind. It's still above 3 of the key moving averages, key support levels. So just remember that as you trade this one. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and invest into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of education about charts and how to use them. Been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was ERBB. Thanks for listening.